Now then, what's the date today? It's the 8th already, 8th of June. Double deckers. Yesterday I had a 2-hour wait for a truck. Today there was one come in just as I went in the office. So I was sat, called in 10 to 11 this morning. Fantastic. Livingston, load of rubbish in the back, and then I've got also on the top I've got a split, and I've got 2 returns of frozen. So once I empty out, get a hold of a shunter and find out where he wants us to put it. He'll have a designated bay, or just tell us to put it on the hard stand, which is just basically park it up, drop it out, get my return pallet and get out of Dodge. It's a 12.5 hour yesterday. Normally takes us 9.5. Well, that's how it goes. Unfortunately it was a nasty accident on the M8 and I got caught up in that as well for a bit, but I feel more sorry for them than me sitting on my arse in a traffic jam. I was in a Merc yesterday and I tell you, just so uncomfortable compared to this Scania today with a squeaky seat. Catches up the hill. Wow, quick turnaround. Well, it's 10 to 5 and I'm about to get on to the 720. At some stage it's busy of course, but what a difference to yesterday. 10 to 5. ETA in the yard, 10 past 8. So going for it today. Cracking. I had a guy helping us. He's helped before, but he's very mumbled Scottish accent, you know, and it's really hard. And he was talking away to us, and it's not quiet in there. And he's chatting on, and I'm just trying to be polite. I'm just like, aye, alright, yeah. I didn't know what the guy was saying half the time. And then he's like, continued the conversation when we got in the lift, like with all the trays and that to bring them down the level. And he went, so he's like, he's a good friend of mine. I got that, you know. And I'm like, alright, yeah. And then he went, what did he say? He's a retired professor from Edinburgh. And I'm like, where on earth is all this coming from and that? And he went, so do you think you'll get much money for what he, like, for them and that, like what he found in his loft? I'm like, yeah, I can't really say. I just didn't understand the word he was saying. Like before that, like, because he was quite quiet, but yeah, honestly. I'm like, yeah, he really, alright. And he's like, he's a professor. And I'm like, oh, I got that bit. Think you get much money for it? No. Trust me, he wasn't saying it as clear as that. You can. That Focus EcoBoost, the 1 litre, is the one that we're looking at the minute. I save so much money. The one we've got is an absolute petrol guzzler. It's quick as anything in that, but I've got my bike for that. And we've had a look at it. Had a look at 1 or 2. Here's another one. The white one. Quite like the white better though, with the blacked out windows at the back. Probably go and pick one up in the next couple of weeks, I think. 20 quid a year tax. 125 brake horsepower for a little 1 litre. Saying that it's the 1 litre EcoBoost is like replacing the 1.6. It's even quicker. It's a bit weird that, isn't it? But There you go. It's not about speed. It's about economy, environment, saving friggin' money. Fuel going the way it is. Tossers. £1.31 a litre. Come on, man. Sitting out in the North Sea where we live, waiting for prices to get up before they come in and unload. Anyway, nice little car for her. She loves the Focuses. Me, Range Rover Evoque 2.5 Toyota Celica GT86. Yeah, Ford Mustang 5.0. Hey ho, stick with that one. Look at that shit coming out with that coming up with the bank there. Oof. Black smoke. Squeak, squeak, squeak. It's terrible, see this. I'm going to flip across to the right hand lane. Yeah, I feel like I'm off for the weekend and I'm not. I'm only off Sunday. Even then I'm going to be coming in the middle of the night on Sunday morning because it's a 1 PM start. Roll on the bike rally next weekend. Oh yes. This boy is going to go for it big time. Farmyard rally. Here we come. Anybody going to the farmyard that's watching this, use a comment underneath. We catch up for a quick hello. Please excuse me if I'm inebriated and dancing in the mosh pit or with your wife. Hello. Moving on. Year one, baby!
How you doing?
Good, Steve. Are you looking forward to the weekend? You got anything planned?
So, Ed Sheeran's at St James's Park tonight, mucking up our beloved hallowed turf. Come on, get up the hill. Come on! ETA 2008. Situation on the squeaky seat, still squeaking. Should carry some WD-40 in my bag as well, because I've been in a couple like this. Yeah. I know it's not a cure, but it would get me through it. Look at Purdy Lodge because it's Friday night. Dead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 on the pumps. Well, it's now saying 7:59 before I get in the yard, so that's pretty good going. I'm going to end this short one. Hope hope you all have a mint weekend. I'm going to have my camera out tomorrow. It's some nasty weather apparently up north, and I'm going to be in and about it. So let's have a look and see, and I'll share it with you. Catch you later, folks.